Hello everyone, this is Oreo. Welcome back to Oreo's As you could probably tell, I'm a bit sick this week, so... Hello everyone, it's Oreo. Welcome back to Oreo's Cooking Challenge. As you could tell, I'm a bit sick this week, so...
More stick.
Why a her stick, though? You know the drill by now, guys. So, today we're gonna be heating up some eggs. So we heat up an English muffin as well.
McDonald's.
Yes, fucking Foxy. I knew you were coming, so I'm doing McDonald's, homemade McDonald's. But this time, I just don't know how to fucking flip an egg. I'm making the egg scrambled instead. Okay, so Foxy. Okay.
McDonald's.
So we have it cooking. So now let's take the eggs out. Like I said,
McDonald's.
like eggs are gonna be better than the fucking yellow foam they use at McDonald's.
McDonald's.
Get the fuck out of my pan. I'm playing Minecraft. That's what my brother would say. One. Take it away, Foxy. Okay, so we.
I'm gonna go kill chickens.
You can kill Chica? Okay. I'm gonna break these off screen.
My balls.
Why did you take 2 grapes?
My balls.
Why did you grab a grape? Fuck! Don't. Max has to eat those grapes now, bitch.
My balls.
So we're waiting for this to. So we're waiting for the pan to heat up. Fucking bitch! Okay, so we got some lids, we got some containers, and we got... So, first we need to get the orange juice out. What do you...
Where's the straw?
What the fuck? Foxy, get the fuck away. Okay, so we have 2 drinks. We have a... we have a cum spill. We have a orange juice, a McDonald's staple, and then we have the chocolate milk, another McDonald's staple. So we have the 2 drinks.
Milk.
Yeah, milk. So we have. So now we put the egg mixture in. Cool. Try to separate these 2. So, yeah. The old people wouldn't like what I'm gonna do to these. I'm gonna split the yolk soon.
Yolk's gonna get divorced.
Yes. He's gonna be split because his wife hates him. Sounds like Freddy and Chica after a counseling session. Okay? Can you get the grandpa turtle here, please, the Foxy? Kidnap the old man. Who woke me up from my nap? Okay, my scramble making tendencies fucking made this into scramble. But at least I popped in front of the grandpa. Fuck you. So, I guess I'm just gonna continue with this.
My balls popped.
Yes, they were grapes. So what? Oh, it's actually staying together though. It's like one big piece. So I'm just gonna be making an egg McMuffin with the 2. So let's prepare Foxy, can you? I had no fucking. Okay, so we take our egg. This is
McDonald's.
if this is homemade. I can add some sauce.
Toilet.
What?
Toilet. McDonald's.
So this is what I call an Oreo McMuffin. So let's take this. Let's take this to the rating lab, shall we?
Racist lab.
1 second, guys. I have to place this down to end. So we have this. I don't think that we have a good knife. Oh, okay. So, looks exactly like McDonald's.
0 out of 10. Too healthy.
So, it tastes like a normal egg sandwich. So let's try. So let's try the drinks. That's orange juice. So Foxy, Jesus. And now let's try the chocolate milk. That's McDonald's chocolate milk. It tastes like McDonald's chocolate milk. And by that I mean very water. No, it's just normal milk with a slight hint of chocolate. Now I'm going to finish the orange juice because I don't want to have any waste. Okay. And this... I thought Foxy loved McDonald's, but yet he fed it to someone else. Bro. Okay, so. This is what the McDonald's would do. They would give you salmonella and not give a shit. Okay. So my wrapper has egg spillage, but it's fine because McDonald's will just have it be completely greasy, so it fits the spirit. Kind of, I don't know. So this uses better quality eggs for sure.
0 out of 10. Too healthy.
I would say that this is the best thing we've had on the show.
0. McDonald's solos.
McDonald's for me is a 1 out of 10.
McDonald's solos.
Sorry.
See, you're throwing up. McDonald's solos.
This is probably the first time I've actually haven't stopped recording and I'm still filming myself eating this shit. So it's not shit at all. It's just a good sandwich.
McDonald's. Come.
So that's a homemade McDonald's meal, guys. And the McDonald's expert, Foxy himself, who is a fucking dude.
No.
Yeah, get the fuck away.
Hey, how you doing, mate?
Hello?
Yeah. I like penis. Ain't that right? Yeah, you love penis.
See you next time.